Okay, so welcome to this video, and first request is to sit back and relax and watch me create a total ebook. That is normal ebook creators which you see in market. Those are the programs that create tiny ebooks, say short ebooks with say short paragraphs, short chapters, etc. But this is going to create a real full ebook that is 60 pages, 80 pages. I will generate everything in front of you and show you how it is done. Okay, so let's start. And this, as you can see, this is running in Google Colab. That is, you do not need to install anything. This is a raw Python code which I have written just for creating this ebook. And that is I'll show you step by step how it is done, and using that you can create ebook on any topic. So let's start. I'll show you step by step. So first of all, you have to just click this one. Okay, now it is asking for the main keyword of the ebook. You can just enter your keyword, and in next step it will just run behind the program. That is, it will create 30 high selling ebook topics for you. Okay, so you can just enter any topic. For example, I'm entering high ticket sales secrets. Okay, now as you can see, it is generating ebook topics, so kindly wait. Okay, so here are the 30 ebook topics, and you can see how fast the result, how fast we have got the results. Okay, unleash the power of high ticket sales secret, the ultimate guide to skyrocketing your income, the top 10 high secret sales secrets every successful entrepreneur swears by, double your revenue with those high ticket sales secrets. Okay, so I'll just I'll just select any of this topic and go to the next step so that you can see how the content is generated. For example, let me take this, and then you have to go to the next step. Okay, so after selecting the topic, just click the just enter the topic, and then just click this uh, click the enter, and you will get this, enter the number of chapters. Okay, so you can decide the number of chapters, and in addition to chapters it will add acknowledgement, preface and conclusion at the end. So this will generate a total ebook for you. For example, I'm entering 10. You can even go with 5, 7, 10, 15. I've tested maximum up to 20. You do not need more than that. Okay, so after you enter, after you press enter, see what it is going to do. Okay, so it will generate the table of contents. That is, as you can see, total 10 chapters which you have entered. It has just generated the table of content, the mindset shift that will skyrocket your high ticket sales, then chapter 2, the ultimate guide to setting goals, then the secret weapon, the top sales secrets. And after that, what it will do is that it is generating content, that is generate 1,000 word acknowledgement. Then it, as I told, first it will generate acknowledgement, then it is generated preface, and now it is generating the content of each of the chapters, that is chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, like this. You can see how fast it is generating the content, and like this all the 10 chapters will be generated, and then it will generate the conclusion. And after that, what we need to do is that you just have to go copy the entire content. As you can see, from here we can copy the entire content, and then you can go to say Google Doc, and then I will show you how, using a software that is Kindle, that is provided by Kindle, you can easily format the all this content into your ebook format quite easily. Everything I will show before you. I will create the entire book, but right now the content is being generated. It is writing the content for you. Already it has written 6 chapters. Meanwhile, let me open Google Doc. Okay, the ultimate guide to setting goals, the secret weapon, how to create irresistible offer that is required for high ticket seats, in the top sales strategies, the power of networking, art of negotiation, leveraging social media to boost high ticket sales, then the key to building long term relationship. As you can see, first it generated the table of content. Now for each of this chapter, it is generating the content. Now one more chapter left after this. And after that it will generate the conclusion, and then your entire content will be generated. Okay, now it is writing the conclusion. Okay, so it has given you the entire content now. Okay, so just copy this, just a minute. Copy this, then go to your Google Doc, and here paste the entire thing. Okay, now go to select all, format. I'll cover all this in the training, but here right now I'm just showing you how quickly the entire content was generated. Okay, so go find this section, ebook content generated, copy the content below. You do not require these things because all this will be automatically generated by the Kindle software. So first is acknowledgement, then there is preface. Okay, then there is chapter 1. Okay, so now what you need to do is just click here, download as Microsoft Word docx. Okay, it is downloaded. Yes, it is downloaded. Now we need to go to the Kindle software. I'm making the training, and because of that the process is a bit slow, and then also within 7 minutes everything is generated. Now click here, choose and continue, and this is optional. You just have to select the file. Okay, this was the file, then click open, and now it is as you can see, it is importing and converting your document. It will just take a few minutes, and your entire content, that is, it will automatically detect the chapters, chapter 1 to chapter 10. We just have to adjust the things for, say, acknowledgement, preface and conclusion, which you have added, and then your entire ebook will be formatted. Okay, each chapter will be formatted and table of contents will be generated, everything will be done. Okay, so now click here, continue, get started. As you can see, it has identified all the chapters for you. It will automatically create the format which is shown in the, say, Kindle. As I have told you, it will not detect the three things, that is acknowledgement. What you need to do is you have to just mention that it is chapter title, and it is done. And you can also create formatting, that is just select 22, and then it is done. It is starting with acknowledgement. Okay, so after acknowledgement we just need to, okay, here it was, preface. I've told you I've generated everything in front of you. So once you have given the size as 22, it will automatically apply to all. As you can see, acknowledgement, preface, then your entire chapters. Now let us go to the end. Let me find the conclusion. Okay, here is the conclusion, I suppose. In conclusion, yes. Okay, so this was conclusion. Now we will do the same thing, add this as title. Okay, as you can see, your entire book is generated now. Okay, it starts with acknowledgement, then preface, chapter 1, chapter 2, and this is the way things are shown in Kindle. Okay, now what you need to do next is just click here export, and then these are the formats in which it will be, you can download it. That is KPF, it is used for publishing in Kindle, and there is EPUB is used in the places which I have shown you, from where you just have to upload it once and it will be automatically uploaded to about 14 to 15 different top websites like Apple, then your Barnes and Nobles, then there is a lot of other websites. I will show you in the next video all the sites in which it will be uploaded. Okay, so you just have to click export and the file will be ready and you can upload it. So as you can see, the time is not even 12 minutes, and within that what we have done is we have just identified the topics. That is, we just started with one keyword. From the keyword it generated the say this 30 high selling ebook titles. From the ebook titles we generated the entire content. As you can see, this is the entire content. We took that to Google Doc, and Google Doc we saw saved as say Microsoft Word, that is in Word format, and you just have to import it and your entire ebook will be formatted in the in the manner or in the format in which can be published. All the chapters etc., it is easily identified and it's easily separated. I mean, it is easily formatted in the way it is actually published in say ebook stores. You do not have to do any formatting, it is done easily. As you can see, I have done in less than 15 minutes. And about ebook covers, you can easily create it. If you go to say ChatGPT, you can just ask for the cover and it can easily generate the cover for you, which you have to upload while uploading this particular format, that is KPF or EPUB. Okay, while uploading this you just need the format and description. Actually, if you go to the code below this, next section is for let me show you. Okay, so the next section is for generating the content. Okay, publishing the book to online platforms like Amazon, Apple, Barnes and Nobles. For this you just have to enter the keyword of the book, that is and then it will generate the content which you need while publishing the books to Kindle or say other platforms. All those is covered here also, as and that will, and using that it will also generate the social media post. It can generate the content which you need while uploading to say Kindle or say other software, which I mean other platforms which you mentioned. And just just using this you can create your entire ebooks. And as I've told before also, in market the softwares which you will see, they generate very tiny content or all which you call as short content, and those are, you can't even call as books, because books need to be of longer format. This is a longer format book which is generated right in front of you. Okay, so as you can see how simple is this was. And the main advantage is that you just generated one ebook. Now imagine if we go and generate all the 30 ebooks and publish. So what will happen is that all these are related to high ticket. So within a few months, that is 1 2 or 3, even if you publish say one ebook in 10 days, so you will have 30 ebooks related to high ticket sales, and you will be almost dominating this niche. So this is not only a method to create and publish ebook, this is a method to dominate any niche. Sorry for that. Because what will happen is that it is giving you titles, and easily if you follow this process, you can publish your ebooks. I mean, create and publish ebooks. Say within 20 to 30 minutes you can publish your ebook to 14 stores. Okay, so just watch this video again and let me know if you have any doubt.